cosmic magnetism. Here we are again. Back home for another year. Okie dokie. My cousin sent me out here to make sure that the campfire was out. Or someone was out here camping with a friend of his, and then I think his father-in-law fell out of a deer stand, and he had to run upstate to help get him to the hospital. And had to rush out here and left his friend, and she just wanted to make sure that the field was not on fire. You work this bloody thing. How's this looking? Looks pretty alright to me, if I do say so myself. So, welcome to the State of the Channel 2026, this time with cow femur. So, you may have noticed the fact that I have not uploaded at all this year, and it's not because I'm dead. It's just because I have not been editing or uploading videos. I've still been filming stuff, but this has been a crazy year, a super busy year. And I say that every year, but it was especially extra double bad this year. Oh god, my fucking knee's about to dislocate. Help me, cow femur. So, the book is finally published. I know I've been saying that for several years, but I actually published the book, and it sold really well for the first 4 months. I sold 500 copies in 3.5 months. So I ordered another 1,000 copies, and I've sold 150 copies in the 7 months since then. So yeah, all my money's in books now, and I spent all of last winter doing a whole advertising campaign for the book, which cost me probably 3 weeks of my life in my entire holiday weekend or holiday sabbatical that I usually take last year. And I think it probably netted me maybe 40 book sales, if that. So definitely was not worth it. I should have just paid someone to crank out shitty AI generated ads. But anyway, I digress. I have glasses now. I don't need them, but the prescription, and they make my eyesight ever so slightly better. Getting old as hell. Also, look at all of these. Oh, beautiful gray hairs now. Stress will do that to you. It has been an incredibly busy year at work as well. I think I wrote 25 grants this year and got over $2.5 million of funding for my nonprofit that I work at, and also helped run 2 other nonprofits and volunteered for another 4. So yeah, it's been very busy, and I've had no spare time. And so, as I've said every single year, and since I started this channel way back in 2020, I'm just doing this to give me something to do and an excuse to work on all the other projects that I have lying around, and not to actually make money with it. So this channel has been taking a back burner to all the other things that I'm trying to do professionally and with the book. And now I have to work on book 2 and book 3 and probably book 4 and maybe even a book 5. Yeah, because they're basically rough drafted. I just have to fully outline them and write, the foreword and afterword and all that other before after matter. But the basic part of the book is pretty much all there and ready and rough drafted. And it is The Flora and Fauna of Edisto Island and the Low Country Sea Islands, Book 1, if you're interested. Available online at Evening Post Books, and I think Litchfield Books up there in Pawleys Island has it on their online store as well. So go pick up a copy, help me get out of book debt. I'm actually not in book debt. I paid for all of it, cash money out of pocket. And I think I'm a third of the way out of debt. I basically paid off the first printing and then printed the second printing, and then I've gotten about 35-40% of my money back from that. So I just need to sell another 400 bucks, and we'll be back in the black, so that'll be good. Anyway, buy a book. But yeah, I'm still doing stuff. I'm still working on projects. We have Cowbone now, and I'll get them uploaded eventually, but just don't expect anything from me for a while. Hopefully this year at work will not be so crazy. It was very busy, but most of my time was spent writing grants, and then I only got I think only 2/3 of them were funded, which is still a pretty damn good hit rate. But yeah, grant writing just sucks the life out of you. But anywho, hopefully I'm not so crazy busy and I have some time to actually work on this stuff. Also, I started a Extreme One Chunk Snowflake RuneScape Iron Man account because I've been wanting to do that for forever, and I'm just a masochist. And manic depressive disorder is in fact a real thing, and I probably have it, and I just need to stop being a maniac all the time. But anyway, I digress. That's the state of the channel. I have probably a good like 20 or 30 videos recorded that I just need to edit and upload. And I just have had literally zero time this year to sit down and do that, because like each one of those takes like 4 hours or so to do on average for a 1 hour video. And like I've literally worked over 2.5 months of unpaid overtime this year on top of all of the volunteering I've been doing. So I literally have had no free time. And then on top of all of that, I was going around doing tours and presentations and stuff trying to sell the book. So life is hell right now. God, whenever I get married and have kids, I'm probably just going to die. But I can only hope and pray that that future is actually in store for middle-aged Tom. So anyway, that's the state of the channel. 2026, hopefully it's a slightly less busy year, but an equally productive and exciting year. And so, yeah, here's to another new year. All right, goodbye. Bye.